guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a unboxing video for you guys. I have not talked about this too much on my channel, but I wanted to show you guys a place that I get about 90% of my shoes for every single season. This is the website that I go on to get all of my super cute shoes. They also have some cute clothes as well. So I have a box that just came in and I thought it would be the perfect time to do like a little unboxing video. As you guys know, I've been so obsessed with Poshmark the last month or so, just sharing my closet with you guys, selling clothes, and just having a lot of fun. And I've had so much fun looking at your closet and doing a little bit of shopping as well. So I'm really excited to be partnering up with Poshmark again on this video. Make sure you go down there in the description bar and add me using my username kkimthai, and make sure you share your closet with us because I want to shop your closet as well. And also use that link down there to download the app. It's completely free and you get to make some extra money on the side, which is so cool. I'm so thankful that you guys have been sharing your closet names with me because I've been looking at your closets and I've been getting a few cute things. As you're watching this, there are some new items on my Poshmark closet, so make sure you go add me and see if you're interested in any of the items. But I'm definitely putting up this shirt. I haven't even worn this yet, I don't believe. I think I've worn this 0 times. But how cute is this for the springtime? I love the material and I love kind of like the baby doll design of it. It's very flowy at the bottom, so you're able to sit and breathe and not feel like you have to suck it in. I love these shirts. They're great for over the leggings, over jeans, over shorts. They're just the perfect spring to summer to a little bit of fall kind of transition shirt. I wore this shirt for New Year's and I thought it was absolutely adorable. I love the color. I love just anything like a baby blue with white. I don't know, it just gives off this very like a nautical feel. And it has a little bit of flower designs that are holes, so they're a little bit see-through. And then in the front, you can tie it and the ends are like this fringe design, which I think is adorable. If you have like these but like earring forms, you can like even wear them. How cute is this? And the bottom is this design right here. Oh my gosh, like this shirt is absolutely beautiful and so cute. You can pair this with some skinny jeans, some wedges, some cute little heels, whatever you want. This is the perfect spring and summer top. And then last but not least, I bought this a few weeks ago and I don't like it anymore and I lost my receipt, which is like the one thing I love about Poshmark is if you lose your receipt or you just have something in the closet that you are never gonna wear, why not sell it and make some extra money? But I got this from Old Navy about 2 to 3 weeks ago and I haven't worn it, but it's this leather jacket. The material's super nice and this is the front of the jacket. How cute is this? I love the collar. I think it's so badass and edgy. The reason that I'm not keeping it is because I had this leather jacket a while back from Laura's boutique and that one is my favorite and I'm waiting for her to restock it so I can get that one. I actually gave it to my best friend Brooke and now I kind of want it back, but obviously when you give something to your best friend you can't ask for it back. That's just mean. And I know Brooke loves that leather jacket, so I'm just waiting for Laura to like restock so I can purchase from there. But anyways, make sure you download the app and follow me and hopefully we get to shop each other's closet. But let's get started with the unboxing. Okay, so I'm really excited about this. This is the first item that I've been wanting for so long and it is this bright red blazer jacket. I think it is so freaking cute. Look how cute that is. This is gonna be so cute for work or like maybe an interview or anything professional. I love the color red. I think red is just so fierce and beautiful and sexy and just it's one of my favorite colors to wear. I love red. And it has a button detailing. The buttons are black with a little bit of tan in it. I'm not too fond of the buttons, but I will live. And I just love that this blazer is movable. It's like really like flowy and movable and it's really nice. It feels really nice. It's not gonna make me feel super suffocated and structured. It's more of like a flowy material. So if you're looking for a great blazer like this to wear to work or whatever it may be, I'll link it down below for you guys. But I love this. This is definitely a piece that I'm excited to wear soon. So when you order from Lola Shoetique, the shoes come like this. So they're wrapped in like a plastic bag, some tissues, and then it's in this cute, I don't know what these bags are called, but I love them. I actually saved these because these are great for like if you're throwing parties or something and you're making goodie bags. These are actually really good. So if you're a shoeaholic like me and you have a lot of shoes and you order from Lolo Boutique, you can order and save these and reuse them. They are so good. Don't throw these away. It's a waste, you guys, if you throw it away. But let me show you the first pair that I got. I'm so excited. I love boots. Boots just make me so happy. But I'm gonna keep the tissue inside until I wear them. But these are the boots that I got. How cute are these? I love these because the heel is chunky, so it's super comfortable. I'm not gonna feel like I'm falling or I'm gonna like trip or anything like this. And I'm like a bigger girl, like on top, you know, and my feet are small. Like I'm a size 6 in shoes, and I want something that's gonna give me more structure when I walk, and I'm not gonna be in pain after like an hour or two. So I love this. The material is suede, which is cute and sophisticated, but the downfall is it's a little bit hard to clean, just like a tiny bit, depending on what you drop. But the front of it is pointed, which is great because it's really gonna elongate my small feet a little bit. And this comes up to about kind of like the ankles, or like a little bit above the ankles, which is great because then I can wear it with jeans and tuck it in or roll it up a little bit. It's gonna look great for pretty much any season that is a little bit more colder. So like fall, winter, and then kind of tipping into spring just a little bit. But I love these. These are such a great basic boots to have in your closet that I think everyone should own. Okay, so the next shoe that we have looks really similar to the last one, but okay, so if there's one thing that I've been wanting for literally ever, every single time it hits the fall season, I want a perfect pair of leather boots. And I know that fall is over and we're walking into spring right now and it's about to be summer and we're gonna show some skin, but I love this. I found it on Lolo Boutique, and let me just tell you, I had to buy it ASAP pronto right away because I was like, I don't care if the season's over. I finally found the perfect pair. These are so like, I'm graduating from college. I'm about to work in corporate. Like, I'm gonna look cute as hell. Seriously, New York City vibes. Hello, like I would love to wear this in New York City, but they look kind of similar to the last one. I just love how chic and expensive this was, or this looks, but it wasn't like expensive at all, at least not for me. I think, in my opinion, after looking for the perfect pair of shoes and doing a lot of hunting and shopping, 20 to 30 bucks for a pair of shoes like this that are really nicely structured, really nice material, and really comfortable, it's a really good price. So I'm really happy with this purchase. I think it was such a good investment, and I just think it's gonna be so pretty. This with like the leather jacket that hopefully goes back into stock soon will be so beautiful. But again, I think this is such a basic that every woman and man should have in their closet. Just like a basic, nice, sexy, hard as edgy leather boot. Like, oh my god, oh, I think it's so beautiful. I can't wait to start wearing this. I might just have to save her for fall. The only downfall with leather boots though is that it scratches easily, so that's like the only sad part about it. But pretty much everything else about, see, you get a lot of stuff when you order from Lolo Boutique. Everything else about that shoe is just so darn sexy. Now, I already have this pair in all black, but I thought the gold detailing was so cute. And I just couldn't help myself. Look how cute this is. Look at the black detailing on the back, the gold detailing on the back. I think that just adds such a sophisticated, dressy up touch to it. I love these shoes because it kind of is like, I want to dress up, but I want to be super comfortable. The heel is super big, so I'm telling you, I promise you, like, these kind of shoes are extremely comfortable to wear for a long period of time. It's giving you a little bit of height, so it's gonna go with everything. I mean, I wear this when I go downtown Huntington Beach to go out at night with dresses, skirts, shorts. You can wear this with some jeans, even like boyfriend jeans and a sweater, be really slouchy but cute. So this is like the perfect casual, cute I want to dress up, but I'm super comfortable kind of heel. It's like a little bit of everything, which I love, and I think the gold detailing is the perfect touch. I also have this heel in literally every single color. I just bought this in lavender, beige, and black, and I'm telling you, these are so amazing. I think I have a hair on my face. Oh, I did have a hair on my face. Oh my gosh, like I said, I just love bright colors. Now this looks kind of red, but when you look closely, it's like a magenta. To die for. I love this color, and I just love these kind of heels. I have learned throughout the years of wearing high heels is that I'm more comfortable with big, fat, chunky heels. I can't do the skinny little ones. Like, I'm just way too like round for that stuff. So I have learned to love these heels. They last a little bit longer when I wear them. I think I can stand for like more than 4 hours in them. They're easy to walk in, and they're just comfortable, and they still look very girly and pretty. Okay friends, that is it for this little unboxing. I'm super excited that I got to share that with you guys, because I know on my channel I share a lot of where I get my clothes, but I rarely ever talk about where I get my shoes. So I thought it'd be really cool to kind of share that with you guys. If you're interested in more of these unboxing videos, definitely let me know. So when I get things like I order online, like I definitely just went hardcore at Forever 21 because the seasons are changing. The seasons are changing. So Forever 21 does a really good job at like staying on top of everything and sticking with a lot of trends and bringing in a lot of seasonal stuff at the beginning of the season rather than like towards the end. So if you're interested in seeing what I buy, because I do a lot of online shopping at night, you know, Amazon after dark, then let me know. I would love to do more of these videos for you guys. I'll link everything down below because I just got them, so they're definitely available on the website. But yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to download the Poshmark app. Share your closet with us down below so we can all check out each other's closet. And make sure you add me on Poshmark and keep updated with everything that I post on there. I love you guys so much, and I will see you then. Bye, my loves.